Car night vision dashcams ensure clear low-light recording, reduce accident disputes, enhance safety, and provide reliable evidence during nighttime driving incidents. Today's video is about top 5 best car night vision dashcams that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Kiru Dash Camera for cars, the R4 4-channel dashcam stands out as a powerful all-around solution for drivers who want complete protection and clarity. Its 4K front camera captures exceptional detail, while the additional 1080p rear and side cameras provide true 360 degrees coverage, effectively eliminating blind spots. This setup delivers strong confidence whether you're driving in busy traffic or parking in tight spaces. Performance is equally impressive thanks to the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, which enables fast video transfers and smooth app connectivity. The built-in GPS accurately logs speed, routes, and location, making it especially useful for reviewing trips or handling insurance claims. Night performance is another highlight, with infrared LEDs, WDR technology, and a wide f/1.6 aperture ensuring clear footage even in low light. The included 128GB card is a practical bonus, and features like loop recording, G-sensor crash detection, and 24/7 parking mode add real-world reliability. Overall, the R4 is a feature-packed, user-friendly dashcam that delivers excellent value and dependable performance. Now our second product is Cool Crazy Dual Dash Camera for cars. This dual dashcam delivers an excellent blend of clarity, coverage, and reliability for everyday driving. With 4K UHD front recording and a 170 degrees front plus 150 degrees rear wide-angle view, it captures an expansive field with impressive detail. The 60 frames per second frame rate ensures smooth playback, making it easier to identify license plates and road signs even at higher speeds. Night performance is a standout feature thanks to the Starvis sensor and WDR technology. It effectively reduces glare and enhances low-light visibility, producing clear footage in challenging conditions like rain, tunnels, or poorly lit roads. The built-in 128GB storage combined with loop recording keeps things hassle-free, while the G-sensor ensures critical moments are locked in. The 24-hour parking mode adds an extra layer of security when your car is unattended. GPS tracking and 5 GHz Wi-Fi enhance usability by enabling fast downloads and accurate trip data. Overall, it's a well-rounded, user-friendly dashcam that offers strong performance and peace of mind. Our third product is Hupajo's 4K dash camera for cars. The Hupajo's V8 Ultra redefines in-car security with its impressive 5-channel, 360 degrees coverage system. Featuring 5 adjustable cameras with 150 degrees wide-angle lenses, it monitors every angle, front, rear, cabin, sides, and even the trunk, making it one of the most comprehensive dashcams available. Flexible recording modes, up to 4K plus multiple 1080p streams, let you balance quality and storage easily. A standout feature is the AI-powered driver monitoring system, which detects fatigue, distractions, and unsafe behaviors like phone use or smoking, adding a smart safety layer beyond standard recording. The dual rear cameras are especially useful for keeping an eye on passengers, pets, or cargo. Night performance is strong, thanks to infrared lamps and a CPL filter that improves clarity and reduces glare. Built-in GPS and 5 GHz Wi-Fi enable real-time tracking and fast video access via mobile devices. With loop recording, G-sensor protection, voice control, and 24/7 parking monitoring, the V8 Ultra delivers top-tier functionality. It's a powerful, feature-rich dashcam ideal for drivers who want maximum coverage and advanced safety technology. Now number 4, Fami Dash Camera for cars. The Fami 3-channel dashcam delivers a strong combination of clarity, coverage, and reliability, making it ideal for both personal and professional drivers. With 4K front recording in dual 2K interior and rear cameras, it captures crisp, detailed footage from multiple angles. The wide 170 degrees front and 150 degrees rear views help reduce blind spots, ensuring comprehensive road coverage. Night performance is impressive thanks to the f/1.8 aperture, multi-layer glass lens, and WDR technology. It handles low light and high contrast conditions well, producing clear, balanced footage even during night drives or early mornings. The included 128GB card is a welcome bonus, and features like loop recording, G-sensor collision lock, and parking mode provide reliable 24/7 protection. Built-in GPS tracking adds value by recording speed and routes, useful for evidence and trip reviews. Dual-band Wi-Fi and app control make accessing and sharing footage quick and convenient. Overall, this dashcam offers excellent performance, practical features, and dependable support, making it a smart investment for safety-conscious drivers. And our last choice is Botslab front and rear inside car camera. The Botslab G980H 4-channel dashcam is a feature-packed solution for drivers who want maximum coverage and smart functionality. With a sharp 3K front camera and additional side and rear cameras, it delivers an impressive multi-angle view that effectively eliminates blind spots. The ability to switch between 4-channel, 3-channel, or dual modes adds flexibility based on your needs. Its night performance is strong, thanks to the f1.8 aperture, infrared LEDs, and WDR technology, producing clear and balanced footage even in low light. The 24/7 parking mode offers multiple protection options, including time-lapse, motion-triggered recording, and collision detection, ideal for safeguarding your vehicle when parked. Convenience features like voice control and a responsive 3.18-inch touchscreen make operations simple and safe. Built-in GPS and fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi allow quick access to driving data and seamless video transfers. The pre-recording function is a standout, capturing moments before impact for complete evidence. Overall, it's a reliable, advanced dashcam that combines performance, innovation, and everyday usability. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.